Hey everybody, we're here at Hope Baptist Church on a Wednesday evening cooking for our fellowship meal. We've got the Meadow Creek BBQ96 out here, and we just turned out about 67 pounds of chicken pieces on this pit. This is just one of many of the Meadow Creek lineup of the chicken flippers. This is the 96, 8 feet long. They make them 12 feet long. Typical is their BBQ42. That's one section of this pretty much. You can get it for about $2,000. The great thing about it, in 1 hour, you cook the best chicken of your entire life, and you can do 40 pounds in 1 hour just by doing that. You load it up, 2-piece rack, load all your chicken in the center, 1 bag of B&B charcoal in the bottom, close it all up, about 20-25 minutes on one side, 20-25 minutes on the other side. If you want barbecue sauce, that's up to you. You can mop it on there then. But hey, this chicken is absolutely phenomenal. I saved one piece so y'all could see it. Look at this. That's a wing, perfectly cooked. This has just got a compilation rub of a bunch of different rubs that we've got. Super tender, about 50 minutes. Don't need no sauce to me.